Here we go, box of certified Jimmy. Good luck, sir. Here we go. I think you got a patch in your first pack. Numbered 7 of 10. Eastern Conference quarterfinals, Path to the Cup Prime. 3-color, 2-color. Zach Parise, Scott Clemenson. Numbered to 10. Make sure that was it. That was... What's up, Couch? We have an Immortals, $9.99, a Brian Leach. Certified Signatures, Mr. Eddie Lack. Certified Sigs. Jan, what's going on, sir? Path to the Cup, $1.99, Bisonet and Martinez. Jonathan Quick, Certified Stars, $9.99. And Patrick Sharp, Keith Yandel, numbered to 250. Path to the Cup dual jersey. Yep, Certified's gone. The first Superlative's already gone. We have 6 spots left in Superlative, and man, Jen, dirty. Wait till you see what we've pulled. Fabric of the Game jersey. Zach Boychuk. Goalie pools. It's weird. Every one of them has that little dealio. Come on out. Okay, I think it fell out. Cujo. Cujo. Goalie pools. This is pack. And Jack Johnson, number to 199 for the Columbus Blue Jackets.